My name is Oksana and I'm representative of Google A1 and this is Ramesh sir.
Yep.
And he's customer of our conversion kit for e-bicycle. So I want to ask you, sir, why you decide to start using electric bicycle?
Well, I was fascinated by the renewable energy and the concept of renewable energy. And I had this old bicycle of mine which I thought I could convert it into an electric bicycle. For two reasons. Number one, it helps in environment and pollution control. And the second thing is I want to go on All India tour on my bicycle and to some destinations on my motorcycle. And I felt converting this into an electrical one will help me to travel faster and also climb the hills. It helps me in climbing hills. So this was the intention with which I converted this into electric one.
And after you decide to convert your bicycle into electric one, you start to look for the companies that are able to provide you with that?
Well, actually I was browsing on the net quite a lot about this, and I was thinking of how I can convert it. And it happened that I was studying different patterns, some with an extra motor fitted and all that. But accidentally I happened to come across the GoGo One website and the reference of GoGo One website, and also then I browsed here and it said there is factory and it can be done here. So then I spoke to Srikanth sir and he asked me to come over, and I came on the bicycle, and the same day I took a decision to do it, and it was done.
It was done on the same day?
It was done on the same day. I just came and met him.
And you check the conversion kit here, so you check the voltage, wattage and other things, and everything satisfied?
Yes, I'm quite satisfied. And I have two batteries with me, 48 volts as well as 36 volts. And on 48, I think it's giving a power of 500 watts motor. On a 36 volt battery, I think it's 350 watts. But nevertheless, I'm quite satisfied with the distance, the speed. And on a level ground and on a normal road surface in India, I can get a speed of around 27 kilometers per hour speed. But with my pedaling together, I could touch around 34 kmph. Slopes, of course, will change the whole arithmetic. And on a 36 volt battery, I could get a speed of around 17 or 18 kilometer per hour. And with my pedaling, I could get around 25, 26. And distance wise, I could go travel a distance of 42 kilometers only on throttle on a level road, normal Indian road. But with my pedaling, I can cover any distance. 42 kilometers is not a restriction, because they added on is because of my pedaling. But overall, it's a very pleasurable, experience, and it's quite nice.
What about weights? Like the weight of bicycle is okay for you?
My bicycle is a bit old, and it's 10-year-old bicycle, and it's quite heavy bicycle. But yes, that's something I can do nothing about. I have only removed the mud guard and other things so that to reduce the weight. But I can't do anything further than that, and yes, it's a heavy cycle. Off late you get lightweight material which can possibly run even faster.
But why you decide to convert your existing bicycle, not to buy a new one?
Because I had a bicycle already, and if I buy another bicycle which is electric, then I'm just one person and I'll have two bicycles for nothing. So I thought, the existing one I convert, that's good enough. The purpose is solved, basically.
So you can cover big distances, but for how many hours you charge your bicycle?
Well, the 8 volts battery I need to charge for about 4.5 hours in 220 AC voltage using a charger. And on 36 volt battery, it is slightly lesser time.
So, and when you told the reason why you bought that electric bicycle, not bought, but transform, so you told that you want to cross over
longer distances, but very soon I'll be definitely doing that. Very soon.
And according to that bicycle, again, like, don't you? I'm not sure that it's a good question, but don't you afraid that somebody will stole that? It's my personal question.
Well, yes, you are right about it. I have thought about this factor. So, you see, it's like this that, I'll be even charging the batteries using my solar panel. 36 volt battery I'm able to charge. 48, so far I have not succeeded, but definitely there is some technical issue, I'll cross that. Yes, that risk is there. What I plan to do is, I have to leave my bicycle. First of all, I don't leave my bicycle and go away, number one. Number two, if I have to go somewhere, leaving the bicycle, and I have to make sure, I leave it at a correct spot with some person whom I can trust, and everything I'll remove and put it in a box. I mean, there is a box, extra box, which I have not fitted now, but it will all go into that. It will be under lock and key, and then the whole bicycle, it will also be locked and, locked to chain, locked to bottom, and in a manner that, it won't be stolen. And I'll make sure that, somebody is able to take care of it. I mean, if it is urban area, well, I can always ask some watchman and, maybe pay him something and, please take a look. If it is rural area, then, I have to contact some families and, something I can do it. Yes, you can't just leave it and go. Surely, I mean, there is a chance. But yes, if some four, five people come together and, block me on the highway or something, I mean, that doesn't normally happen in India. But if it happens, then yes, I lose everything. There's nothing I can do. But you need to take some risk somewhere, if you want to enjoy.
How long time do you have that? Like, do you use that bicycle?
Well, bicycle is 10 years old, but this conversion I had done about 11 months back.
And what is your opinion about that conversion, about riding that bicycle?
Well, it's absolutely good enough. I wish, all this is manufactured in India. If it is done here, I'll be more than happy. Even if the price is 5% extra.
The price is usually less for that thing, or you think that maybe it's...
I'm not sure about it because I'm not sure. I mean, I just fixed it and I'm happy about it and that's it.
So you do not...
So now, having done that, I don't bother about the price. It's done. Perhaps in future it may become cheaper. But if there are some manufacturing companies here and, who can do this, who will definitely do this and, it should be much better.
But it also should, the quality should match the price. Like, I mean, it shouldn't be the cheap one and they will provide...
See, I had a rough calculation. When I use my motorcycle, for every kilometer, I have to spend something like 2 rupees and about 70 paisa per kilometer. On the bicycle, with the existing whatever work I have done, I have to spend around 11 paisa. 11 paisa, that means 0.11 rupees per kilometer. There it is 2 rupees and about 60 paisa. 2.60. As against that it is only 0.11. And this I can go at 25 kilometer speed. On the motorcycle I can go around 80. So, I mean, I don't go faster than 80. So you can compare. What do you want to do? You're welcome. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, sir.